Welcome to the Junior Suite at the Beverly Hills in Durban. Let the games begin. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, get ready to rock here at the Beverly Hills in Durban. Hello everyone and welcome back to CoolCapeTravel.com, which is all about fun and informative travel videos. Today I'm going to show you what it's like to stay in 3 different rooms at the world famous Beverly Hills Hotel in Umhlanga, Durban. Starting with a standard room on the 8th floor, which is the top floor, and a Cabana10 poolside, and also a junior suite on the northeast corner of the 7th floor of this magnificent building. This modernist masterpiece was the very first 5-star resort hotel in South Africa, and also the original and first project of the late great Saul Kerzner, who went on to build the greatest and largest hotel chain in the Southern Hemisphere. And here we are, arriving at the first act of a standard room. But I must warn you that things are about to get quite spectacular, and gasping is allowed. Waking up at the Beverly Hills, you get bathed in a magical theater of light and sound as the sun rises and the Indian Ocean batters away at the east coast of South Africa. Time now for the second act of a standard room. Just sitting in this room while the sun comes up and during the day when the sun is out, it just feels amazing. There's just so much beautiful light coming at you and beautiful lines. It's just sensory overload. I can spend hours in this room watching the sun come up. Are you ready for the third and final act of a standard room on the top floor of the Beverly Hills? Enjoying the show? Hit subscribe right now so I can carry on making awesome travel videos. After all that excitement, let's take a quick break here poolside and admire how incredibly clever this building is designed. Because you can book any room from the cheapest standard room to the most expensive suite, and you are always guaranteed to have an uninterrupted ocean view. Welcome to Cabana10, ladies and gentlemen. This lavish premium luxury suite is the jewel in the crown here by the swimming pool and is only a hop, skip and a jump away from the beach. As you can see, it is positively huge and proper space for a party here, but wait till we get outside. Look at that view. Yes, that is tremendous. And this outside area, wow, this patio is absolutely fabulous. Look at that. Really, you've got space here to entertain and party, even outside dining, your own private sun lounging area, and also look at this lovely little shower where you can clean yourself when you come back from the beach, which is just over there. And wait for the piece de la resistance here in this shower. I do love it. Look at that. Now that is a shower with a view, I must say, and I can shower here for days on end. Welcome to the Junior Suite, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so the super friendly hotel management here at the Beverly Hills in Umhlanga, Durban has just upgraded my room to a beautiful Junior Suite. It is positively massive. And if it is as big as this, I don't know what the presidential suite will look like. Unfortunately, it wasn't available, so I couldn't show it to you today. But just look at this beauty of a hotel room. Let's begin with the sleeping quarters. This is our beautiful massive bed, and then look at that. I love this little feature. Here is the bath, and you can like have a little privacy if you so desire, or not. A bath with a view, very nice. Unfortunately, the weather has turned a little bit. We don't have those clear blue skies, but can you imagine on a sunny day what an amazing place and space this must be? Not that it's bad now. Look at this lush bathroom, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. Oh, and look, we've got a walk-in closet. My tiny little bag. This is the Grand Lounge. Wow, look at that. And look at that big telly. It's truly massive. We have 2 balconies. I feel so special. We've got different views this time around. Look at the hotel from this angle. Isn't that awesome? Here we are on the second balcony now. Loving it. Oh, look at that. The birdies. Gorgeous. Yeah, very nice. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to leave you in peace now to enjoy the sights and sounds of waking up at the Beverly Hills Hotel in Umhlanga, Durban. Thank you for joining us today and have a lovely day.